Why are you breathing heavy over there?
I'm getting very nervous.
So, you all are wondering what is in front of me.
Yeah.
Those of you who are just showing up. These lovely little boxes right here.
Little but mighty.
Yes, very much so.
Yeah.
So these little guys here are one of 3, I believe, that are non-competitive or extreme eating spicy in the spicy world for to be entered into the League of Fire, which, as I shared the link a little earlier, I'll share it again just before. These little guys here will be...
It's league time.
That is correct.
Exactly.
That is 100% correct.
Oh.
I can't wait. I am super pumped. So basically, this is the Crunchy Challenge. And it's out of the old Agnes store. We ordered these a couple weeks ago, and they make everything fresh. So when they come in, they literally, and no joke, they make them on certain days and they ship them on certain days.
Yeah.
So it's one of those that they're not just like constantly mass producing them. They're making them in order to ship at the proper time, so that they're always fresh.
Because we had 2 challenges that we could have done tonight that would have gotten us on League.
Yep.
And we swept them.
Yep.
Based on the fact that these are fresh and they come in fresh, and we want to have them that way.
Yep. And just to show like the authenticity behind it, that if that's even a word, I don't even know how I said that, but if you even notice here, like, I mean, this has they sign their name, they sign my name.
They both say Jason, so Jason should.
She keeps
eat them
thinking
both.
that, yeah. Unfortunately, when you order it, you only get a chance to put one name. So I could have ordered a dozen. I would have been like, oh, well, I guess we're going to be here a while. So to give you an idea of what is in this before we do it. So basically, extremely hot challenge. Keep out of the reach of children and elderly. So I'm not saying anything.
Don't
I'm
you
just
look
saying,
over at me.
I'm just saying. I'm not saying anything.
Jason.
I'm not saying. You're not. No. See, immediately. I love it. My mommy's here. What's up? Do not consume if you are sensitive to hot, spicy foods. Who isn't sensitive to it? Allergic to chocolate, peppers, or capsaicin. Pregnant.
Sorry.
Nah, sit back down.
Your allergy.
Pregnant or have any medical condition. Wear gloves when handling. Do not touch eyes or any part of the body. Wash completely with soap after handling. These contain Reaper, Scorpion, and 20 other super hot peppers. Now, one thing that they do not mention on this lovely box, even when you read through your mom told me the ingredients. Slap him, thank you. They don't talk about. Well, they do. They do on the back of the box. They talk about 9 million pure capsaicin is also in here.
9 million.
So when I told her that we were doing the super hot challenge, I was going to put us into the League of Fire. I kind of failed to let her know that there was 9 million.
He didn't.
Scoville.
I was like, oh, what is it, like 3, 4, 5? He's like, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And then I was like, but nope. You failed to mention this, Bar.
Yep. And one of the things that now she actually has, do not let it slide. She has actually messed around with the 9 million Scoville unit.
I have
capsaicin before when we did the little nitro and the toe of Satan.
You did mention that. He's like, you've been there, girl.
Yep. You have been there. You got this. And I mean, the box itself, I'd say, what does it say? It weighs 35 grams. The box is probably just as heavy.
Yeah.
I mean, when you think about it. So we are going to open these now.
Oh, God. I'm like freaking out. Oh, here's your gloves.
Thank you.
I wore my eyeglasses.
You can open yours. I'll let you open yours on your own. So that
trust me with this?
I don't know. Just don't cut yourself.
Let me go.
9 million isn't that many? Nah, not at all. I'm just going to keep myself back. Y'all saw that right there, right? Minor oversight.
Here you go.
Yeah, I'm going to take that, okay? Thank you so much. Wonderful of you. Thank you.
I told you I would throw it.
She said she was going to do it.
I did.
Lots of confetti. As long as it doesn't go in the beer, we're happy. I think it went in hers. Yes.
No, it didn't.
Oh, it didn't?
No.
Doggone it. All right, we have confetti everywhere. So if you guys are wondering
what's
going
exciting.
on, it's very exciting. It is. So, as you guys can see, nicely tucked into that little box right there
I already took mine out.
is
Wow.
The crunchy one.
That is smaller than I anticipated it.
And you expect a reaction right now out of what you just said.
I said it. I'm going to let it go.
So this is the crunchy one, as you guys can see. We're not going to, I'll get forward a little bit. It is in a packaging. You guys can see that.
Oh, boy. That scares me.
It's so awesome.
That's 9+ in that tiny little thing.
Oh, it has a 9 million shoot in it. So because it's a Rice Krispie treat. So therefore, Rice Krispie treats require marshmallow. Add enough marshmallow, boom. Adds flavor to the beer. I like the way you think, bro. Saw nothing. That's what I'm saying, Joe. So we're going to open this little feller up. So it's still wrapped in here. And because this is so exciting.
Oh, Jason, I don't know about this.
So as you guys can see, that just showed up behind me. We have this brand new clock. And the best part about this brand new clock is this brand new clock is a timer. It should be.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, because I'm looking at the thing. That's funny. And I'm expecting, like, why isn't it catching up? What is going on? Give or take a million. Yeah, exactly. You know what they say about... I do. Packs a punch. That's awesome. So, show you guys. This is the crunchy one. Little Rice Krispie treat.
Oh, my God. Ooh. I'm scared, Jason.
I'm so excited. I'm
scared for the chocolate component.
Oh, it smells hot. Oh yeah, it smells wicked good. Don't let her lie to you. It smells wicked good.
It doesn't.
It does. It has a nice little spicy smell at the end of it. Cube of greatness. Yes, it is. Oh, wow.
Oh, my God.
Oh, that's all capsaicin. That is definitely capsaicin. 100%.
See? Handlebar mustache laugh.
Oh, that's great. So that is definitely capsaicin. Golly. Looks like New Year's is happening here.
It did.
It did.
It was exciting. I told you yesterday. I was going to throw it when it comes out. I'm a woman of my word.
I'm going to throw them everywhere.
I did. And I said I would even do it in an English accent.
So we have, as the rules say, we have 4 minutes to eat this. And then once the 4 minutes is up, we start a 4-minute afterburn. So this is an 8-minute challenge. Typically, most of our challenges run about 10 to 15 minutes. This is an 8-minute. So once we finish it, I'm literally gonna set that clock. It's sitting at 0, and once it hits 8 is when it's done.
Oh, that smell.
So good. But you can just see, like, I mean, looking at this alone, you can tell, like, this is freshly made. This is amazing. Wow. I'm excited. So, without further ado, I am so ready for this. Without further ado, this, you all, is the Crunchy One challenge. Or just the Crunchy challenge. Ready? And it begins. Cheers.
Stay ready.
You may want to start eating.
I told you I have a strategy.
That I will, Blitz.
Oh my God. I did a small bite to test out the chocolate. As you.
It's very yummy.
Wow, that was a little corner I just took. Okay.
It's hot pretty much off the start.
Yep. Remember how I was making fun of people ate it? I was just doing that. The whole like. It's like, why do people eat like that? And then I found myself eating like that.
So what if one fails? You just, only one of us is doing.
Oh. Okay. Oh, that's hot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So that
oh, my God.
Definitely hot. Oh, yeah. That's going to bring on some hiccups.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the sweat and tears are definitely running. Oh, yeah. I've only had hiccups a couple of times, so that's a good challenge.
Oh, my God. Oh, God. Okay.
Kudos. Oh, wow. Oh.
Wow. Okay. Yep.
Wow.
Crap.
It's all back of the throat.
Okay, I can do it.
You got it. Until you're done. It's definitely peaking. Oh, ears are burning. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, wow. That's a good challenge. Oh, wow. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my ears, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
I did it, though.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
My throat is on fire.
Yeah.
Oh.
My ears are burning just like you said.
Yep. Oh, wow.
Oh, God. Yeah, right here.
Oh, wow. Holy crap.
I'll move this for a second.
Holy crap. Oh, I'm in my own little world right now.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Wow. Rate it? Probably an 8.
8. Yep. I was saying the same thing.
Maybe at a point of 9. We're in the afterburn now. Oh, wow.
How's
Yep.
that? My lips.
Everything. Everywhere. Yeah, it is. This is wow.
Oh, my God.
It's even hard to like swallow.
Yep. My eyes are watering so bad.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my God, my mouth.
Yep. Wow. We're gonna make it. Wow.
Yep.
Oh, hotter than 2 rats. Yep. Yep. Fenway.
Wow.
Oh, I'm on fire.
Yep.
Holy crap.
My nose.
Yep.
Oh, my mouth. I'm blowing bubbles.
Oh, wow. Where we at? This is intense.
Wow. How are you doing?
hanging in there. You?
Yep, same. Oh, my nose.
My ears are still hurting.
Oh.
Wow. Holy crap. I think it's starting to come down a little bit. Now what?
No.
My lips are like... Wow.
Babe, under a minute.
Huh?
We are got this.
Yep. My ears, my lips.
Shaking.
Almost.
20 seconds. We could do it.
Yep. I don't know what to do after this.
I don't know either.
Oh, good job.
We did it.
You did.
We did it. I don't know what to do, what to drink. Oh my God.
I will do that, but not yet.
For sure, Blitz. Wow.
Not here. Sorry.
Wow. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Oh my God, I'm dying. I think I do need milk.
If you want to get it, go ahead. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Wow. Holy crap, that one rocks me. Oh. I still have like the chills. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do. Wow. Okay, guys, that's the first challenge in a while that's like, oh. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the sounds. Wow.
Okay, you guys, I haven't had a challenge that's rocked me like that in like a long time. Like my ears are on fire still. I think I definitely had an endorphin rush because I'm just like mellow right now. Wow. Oh, that was gnarly. I definitely am feeling like an endorphin rush. I mean, my ears, my lips, I have like chills. Oh. Holy crap.
Wow. That by far.
Old Agnes, kudos to you.
Damn. That rocked me.
Oh, it's still rocking me. Look at my face.
Yeah, me too.
I look like I got in a fight
No,
with
I
Mike.
am still sweating like something. My mouth is on fire. Shaking like wicked bad.
That's a whole new meaning of wow. Thanks, dude. You have no idea, man. That means the world. Thank you, guys. If you guys are a subscriber in the channel, hell yeah. Throw it out there, you guys. He deserves all that. He is a savage, a legend. Thank you, brother. Thank you. And I'm a hot mess right now.
Babe, we did it, though.
Oh, my God.
Oh.
Holy crap.
In the league.
We are in the league. I have to say, this challenge...
Wow, I'm still shaking.
Still one of the best to date. Hands down.
Yeah.
Hands down. Not
Taste
even an argument.
actually was awesome.
Really good. The heat, there was a lot of heat in it.
Yeah.
And like I said, hell yeah, the Alchemist, yeah. Amazing brewery. The heat, like the moment you bite into it, smell it, bite into it, it is instant heat.
Instant. I took a tiny bite because dark chocolate messes with me sometimes, and I was just a little nervous about it. So I was like, I'll take a little bite, trial it.
I'd say it was still mostly regular milk chocolate.
Yeah, and it kicked me in the back instantly. I was like, oh crap.
The thing about it, like I have to say, like if you took the entire circumference of whatever that bar was, it was the entire thing. Like there was no
in between.
Skipping,
It was hot.
Yeah.
Every bite.
Yeah.
There was no like bite that you were like, oh,
nope.
Okay, that was delicious, just chocolate. No, it Van Damme kicked you all the way down.
Yep.